friends, welcome to another product unboxing. Today I'm checking out this air duster. Pretty cool. So to like clean off your computer and stuff, people used to use like compressed air, so you get in a can and blast that out. This should take the place of that. It's got a bunch of little brushes on there for cleaning, and as well as 5 different nozzles. It's cordless, so Type-C charging, powerful air blowing. Let's see what we got inside here. At the top we have this nice little bag, instruction manual, and then we have this little brush, just a little one for small crevices, and here is a larger brush that can go on the end of the nozzle. So if you have something that's stuck in there a little bit, you can help brush it out of the way sometimes. And another brush there. It's got a little hole in the end so we can wipe or hang that, and then it has these different nozzles. So this is a smaller one, should be for like the most powerful or concentrated amount of air there. Then we have one like an extender, which you can make it a little bit longer if you want to, and also this one here, which has the holes on the sides there. Okay, here we have one that is kind of more of like a nozzle. And we have our USB to USB-C charging, and then one more brush there. So check this out, guys. This is what we've been waiting for, is this bad boy. Okay, so that actually looks really cool. I love the color. It's heavy duty. It's got a lot of weight to it. Press 3 seconds, power on. Power, second, third, fourth, press. All right, let's take this little thing off of here. Whoa. All right, that puts out a lot of air. That is, that is super cool. Okay, so here we have, let's see, how do we put these things on there? That was a question. Okay, this is our little nozzle, goes right in there, and then we can put this. I'm gonna try this one out right off the bat here. Or can we not try that one? Hang on a second. Does that go in there? Oh, this one just goes right there. You don't even need that, okay. Oh, is our battery dead already? Okay, so blast, we need to charge it up. So some of them come with a lot of charge in them, and you can test them out, but we're gonna actually charge this one right now. I'll get out my little wire and let's start going with this. But just the initial burst of air was pretty impressive. So way better than just getting that compressed air and using up your can. You can just charge this. So that's what we're gonna do, just plug this one in here right now. And charging indicator. So I have a little light here, it's flashing red right now. So we're gonna charge that up, and then we're gonna show you what it can do. Okay, my friends, so if we had a keyboard, and if it's got dust in there, just hold this down and get all the dust out. So it does put out a lot of air, and like the little brushes, if something can't get it all the way, these brushes help a lot to be able to get the dust out of there. And I like that it has a little LED light on there as well, so you can, it lights up your little work area there, so you can get it going here. Also with like computers and things like that, you can see we got dust on the top. It's really difficult to vacuum that out of there. So once again, the compressed air or the high volume air. Look at that. Oh, we had all that dust right in there. Okay, wow. You can see that that is cleaned all that off of there. It's really difficult to get a vacuum in there because they're usually big and bulky. So this helps blow that out of there. Dust is a killer for computers, so that's super handy. And then if we need a little brush to get stuff off there, that works as well. So I'm going to try a couple other things. Thanks for watching. Okay, this can also inflate balloons and stuff like that. So with this one here, just want to make sure that it bypasses the little valve portion in there first. So you just kind of push that in there. And then you can get your gun here and inflate this real quick. There we go. So our beach ball is ready to go. Super handy, cordless and wireless, allows you to take this wherever you want. If you do have electronics and things like that, it's a really good way of getting the dust off without potentially damaging your electronics or something. Just blow it off of there, not trying to get a vacuum in there and maybe hitting something or whatever. So super handy. All the little brushes it comes with are nice as well. Like the light on here, it's small and compact, so if you do need to get into tight angles like in the computer there, it's easily able to move it in there a lot better than you could like a vacuum cleaner or something like that. So definitely a handy device to have. Thanks for watching this video, my friends. Have a great day. I'll see you next time.